Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this, we learn how to add and edit new article or item. Log into the backend. Click on Item Overview. Select Main Category and Subcategory. Now click on Add Item. Select and add basic item information and save. Add meta information for SEO. Now add price and save. You can also search using item number for quick edit. For watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.